In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create profit and loss statement in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to view your profit and loss, often called an income statement, so you can quickly see your revenue, expenses, and net profit for any period. Let's start at the source. Open your browser and head to books.zoho.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual Zoho credentials and make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Think of this as your command center, useful for a quick snapshot, but today we're heading straight to the detailed report. From the left-hand menu, click Reports. This section is where Zoho Books keeps all your financial statements and analytics. It's organized by categories, but the fastest way to get what we need is to use the built-in search. You'll usually find a search bar or a filter at the top of the reports page. In the search field, type profit and loss. As you type, Zoho Books will narrow down the results. You should see an option labeled Profit and Loss appear. This is the standard financial report that summarizes your income and expenses for a chosen date range and calculates your net profit or loss. Click Profit and Loss to open the report. You'll now see a structured statement with sections for income at the top, followed by cost of goods sold if you track it, then operating expenses, and typically other income and other expenses. At the bottom, Zoho Books calculates your net profit or net loss for the selected period. Use the date controls on the page to view the period that matters to you. Common choices include this month, last month, this quarter, or a custom range such as your fiscal year. If your business tracks on a cash or accrual basis, you may also see an option to toggle the basis to match how you report. As you review, look for large variances in revenue or expenses compared to your expectations. Expanding individual lines will show account-level detail that explains where the numbers come from, helping you validate that transactions were categorized correctly. If something seems off, it usually traces back to a bill, expense, invoice, or journal entry that needs adjustment. That's all there is to it. Go to bookszoho.com, click Reports, search Profit and Loss, and then click Profit and Loss to view the statement. With this report in hand, you can monitor performance, spot trends, and make informed decisions with confidence.